Look around you. What do you see? Weakness, distraction, anxiety. We have built a world of infinite comfort, yet we have never been more miserable. You feel it too, don't you? That feeling that you are capable of more, but you are stuck in mud. You are a Ferrari parked in a traffic jam, an eagle walking among chickens. Today, we stop walking. Today, we rebuild. I am going to walk you through the 7-step protocol to destroy your old self and build a fortress. This is not a motivational video. This is a reconstruction manual. The first step is to change your relationship with pain. Most men spend their lives running from the fire. They seek the air conditioning, the easy chair, the path of least resistance. But as the ancient text says, he sits as a refiner of silver. You cannot have the blade without the heat. If you are suffering right now, if you are confused, if you are hurting good, that means you are on the anvil. Protocol 1. Stop asking for an easier life. Ask for a stronger back. Every morning, do one thing that you hate. Cold shower. Run. Silence. Step into the fire intentionally, so the world cannot burn you accidentally. There comes a time in every man's life when he hits a wall. The biology of the eagle teaches us a brutal lesson. At 40, its beak curves, its talons weaken. It has a choice: die or break its own beak against the rock. You are holding on to habits, friends, and mindsets that served you when you were a child, but are killing you now. You need to retreat to the mountain. You need a period of isolation. You must identify the curved beak in your life. Is it porn? Is it laziness? Is it a toxic relationship? And you must smash it against the rock. Look at your phone. How many hours did you spend watching other men live their lives today? Race horses wear blinders for a reason. If they look sideways, they lose their stride. You are obsessed with the competition. You are obsessed with what they are doing. Protocol 3. Digital minimalism. Unfollow everyone who does not educate you or inspire you. Stop consuming. Start creating. Put your blinders on. The track is in front of you. A common question I get is, how do I find high-value friends? How do I find a high-value partner? You are asking the wrong question. You are running around the island with a flashlight. Become a lighthouse. A lighthouse stands firm on the rock. It focuses on its own light. It provides value to the darkness. And inevitably the ships come to it. Stop chasing. Build your value. Competence is the only magnet that matters. Scientists proved this in the biosphere to experiment. Trees inside a perfect bubble grew fast, but they fell over. Why? No wind. Without the stress of the wind, they never grew deep roots. Your comfort zone is your biosphere. It is safe, it is warm, and it is making you weak. When a problem arises tomorrow, smile. That is the wind. That is your chance to deepen your roots. You have the information. Now you have a choice. You can close this video, open TikTok, and scroll until your brain melts. You can go back to being the cow that runs from the storm, or you can be the buffalo. You can decide, right now, that the old version of you is dead. The fire is hot. The process is painful. The isolation is real, but on the other side, there is steel. Start the reconstruction. Click the link below, get the blueprint, and I will see you in the forge.